You're a gorgeous birdie. You're always listening, aren't you? You're listening. Yeah, you can have my finger, that's fine. That's fine. No, you're not having that ring. You need to buy your own. Or get your own. You're a funny birdie. Eh? No. Yeah. Yeah. You're not having my ring. Yes, I know it's shiny. It's shiny. Yes, it is. It's a beautiful baby. Beautiful baby. Yeah, beautiful. You're listening, aren't you? What are you listening to? What do you hear? Yeah, and there's a naughty fly. Go away, horrible fly. Naughty fly, isn't it? Naughty fly. Yeah, you tell my finger off, it's naughty. Beautiful baby. Beautiful baby. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No. Look, you're not a magpie. Because magpies are hell for shiny things. You're just after it. You're just gonna hurt my finger when you bite it. Yeah. You can't have it. Cute baby. Yes, you are. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah, you're nibbling my finger now. No, after my ring. You're not going to get it off that way, you know. You're not. You're a funny, loony bird. Yes, you are. Yeah. Have a look at this little birdie. Hello. You're like, leave me alone, don't talk to me, don't look at me. Ah! Oh, you're cute, though. You're a cute little birdie. Yes, you are. Very active as well. Yeah. Yeah, but I like crows. Yes, I do, because I think they're cute. They're cute. Yes, they are. Yeah, the little owl. Hello, beautiful baby. Look at them big eyes. And you've got beautiful eyes. Gorgeous birdie. Eh? Yes, you are. You're beautiful. Beautiful baby. Yes, you are. Oh, them horrible, annoying flies. They go everywhere, don't they? That's the question. How long have you been here, then?
Well, we opened this place in 2016.
So it's not that old, really, is it?
But the sound's been in the family for a long, long time. But
right. You need to lay off the beer. You need to lay off the beer.
There we go. Right. Yeah.
Yes. He's funny. Oh, you want to be?
Yeah. So 2016. So we decided to open this place. We took our son to farms when he was little. He's 14 now.
Yeah.
And we just thought we could, use this space and do that. So we did.
Ooh, that's cool. What else do I want to ask? All right. So no good asking about a family business because I already know it's a family business. Because obviously I see sometimes it's telling you off about something.
You mind? You mind?
No, you don't. You don't wear clothes. Don't miss anything, do they?
No. Hey, no, not good.
Now get your own clothes. Oh, hang on, you got your own. You got feathers.
What I'll do is I'll get him some food and then he might.
Yeah. Can I feed him?
Sure.
I don't mind feeding because I fed him that time, which I've kept. Num nums.
I got you.
Yeah, pain in the bum. Could you do me a favour and video me? Stop. Turn it round the other way. So you've got to look. Got it? Oh, you're giving him maggots.
You can just give him one at a time, it's great.
Yeah, maggots. Come here, horrible cool thing. Yeah. There you go. Well, hold on. Not that quick, here. No. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I'm not quick enough, am I? Oh, God. You're helping yourself then? No, that's a finger. Thank you. Yeah, baby. So I know you give him cat food as well, don't you?
Well, we sort of stopped giving him cat food because he was just throwing it everywhere. And it was so messy.
Cat food.
So now he eats sort of the same thing as the owls eat. He eats chicken.
Yeah. Well,
And then
whoops.
this sort of thing as well.
I dropped one on the floor somewhere.
We'll have to get that.
Do you know what? I'm going to put some in my hand and then it'll be easier. Then I know where we're going with these things.
Do
Oh,
that.
yeah, you do that. That's what's easier. If one got in your pen, you silly sausage.
Yeah, just grab that.
Yeah. Okay. Here. Yeah, you stand on my hand. No, there's one there. There's two there. Get them. And the other one. There we go. It's all gone now. All gone. All gone. All gone. Look. Look. It's gone. You can't eat your fingers. They're not that tasty, you know. Or my rings. Yes, I know you're listening. You're listening, aren't you? All gone. All gone. All gone. I think you better stay inside. Bye. I'm evil, aren't I? Shut the door on you.
Knuckles.
Oops, fudge.
There we go.
Oh, you got it.
One more. You want that one?
Knuckles. Isn't that something to do with Sonic the Hedgehog?
Well, he got the name because the family that found him, he was attacked by a cat. But when they picked him up, his feet were turned up.
Ah, like Knuckles.
It's almost like deformed feet. So when he came to us, he had these feet like. So I think that's probably how the cat caught him in the first place.
Because of his deformed feet.
Once he was on the floor, he couldn't sort of move as well as the other ones.
Yeah. And obviously these birds will come back because the imprint and...
Yeah. But as he's sort of got older and grown up, his feet have straightened out.
No.
So it would just be a tendon issue when he was young.
Must have been. Yeah, you're a lovely birdie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a very cheeky one, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, he's a bit of a star, he is.
Definitely likes being centre of attention. Yeah. Right, tits.